Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Not sure where I'm supposed to be looking yet. I'm focusing on the lens. We'll see if after this one I was wrong. So if I'm not looking at you, I apologize. I think I am. I feel like I'm making eye contact. So we're going to try on a dress, a couple of skirts. I got t-shirts to go with it. We are way in between seasons here. It's spring, which means it's also winter and summer. So I'm not sure where I want to land with it. I'm doing kind of a dressy skirt and then a real casual t-shirty top. We'll see how it looks. So we will just try on what I've got, what I have so far. It all came from Amazon. So I will link everything below just because it's something I don't care for or isn't perfect for me, doesn't mean it wouldn't be fantastic for you. So let's try something on. First, I'm going to try on one of the skirts and one of the t-shirts. Okay, this is choice number one. I'm willing to admit. This one's reading a little more, oh, it's also not, okay. It's reading a little more funeral than baby shower. I will admit that. The top I thought was going to be more cottony. It's definitely got a poly feel to it. It is very much a dropped shoulder. It's, you know, raglan, is that what this is called? I think it's a raglan sleeve with a drop shoulder. The fit is great. I will put all of the sizing on this down below because rule of thumb, if I were to go to say man, how does Mikkel Jancy do this and hold that so still? It's very hard to hold it still. If I were to go to, I know, Nordstrom, Kohl's, somewhere like that, generally most of my jeans are 16s. Periodically, if it's really tight and it's like a legging, I might go 18, but as a rule, I'm a 16 and a 1X. Some of these, I think this skirt, and like I said, I will tell you all of the information down below with the links. I think this skirt is a 3X. I am just saying, in normal clothing, I don't purchase a 3X. I generally get myself a 1X. But this is, I love this skirt. I have a white t-shirt to try with it too. That said, I also thought this was a 3/4 inch sleeve. I could pull the sleeves up. It kind of gives it a more casual look. I'm not sure if they would stay up, but the sleeves pretty much fit me like a long sleeved top does, but I am digging this shirt. So I'm going to go switch. I think I got two different white tees. So I'm just going to go switch into one of those and we'll see what I think. But what do you guys think about the skirt? I feel like I'm loving the skirt. It is kind of chiffon topped. And then underneath, it's got a black lining. It's a little staticky today because it's still cool, but it is super, super comfy. I think kind of flattering. I like this. Probably not Easter. You know, black and white doesn't really read Easter, but for the shower, which normally for a shower, I would choose pinks or blues. I mean, we know it's going to be a boy, but it's at a distillery. And it's a boy-girl shower. So for me, that one's reading a little more, wear what you want. So I'm thinking a really pretty dress with maybe a slight shoe. I don't have the shoes that I've ordered yet. I'll show them to you when they come in. But I'm thinking that with, okay, let's try on one of the white tops and see if it gives us that pop that we need for it to read more baby shower than funeral. Okay, two things. One, this is the exact same top. It is the exact same size. It feels about a size smaller. It is, you guys know, I have lost a lot of weight, and because of that, I have extra arm skin to the point where it's problematic in clothing. I could wear a lot of extra large shirts, except for I need at least a 1X because of my arms. This one feels a little tight on my arms, so I don't think I will keep this one. That said, I very much prefer the skirt situation with the white to the black, I think. Also, you can tell, because this is a little bit thin, you can tell that I don't have on a neutral colored bra underneath, so apologies. But this is the same one. It's white. We would not even dream of wearing this out, right? This is definitely something we wear in. Yeah, no, definitely not out. Same exact outfit, but with the white top. I like the white with it better. I'm going to wear jewels. I should have brought jewels up here. I should bring some of my jewels up here so that when we do this, this all needs to be retucked, but you get the idea. I will definitely wear jewels with it, a little bit of a heel. I like the white with it. I have one other white t-shirt that I ordered also. I own white t-shirts, so that might be the way that I go. Let's try on the, okay, I love this top. First of all, I love a v-neck. So I love the v-neck of this. The sleeves are so cute. See how they come, oh, see how they come down and then they have that little cuff, but you leave it uncuffed and then it's split That is so cute. I'm not sure if it is perfect for my arm because of my sizing. I don't feel like I would want it any bigger because it fits me through here how I like shirts to fit. I know some people wear them tighter, but I would not want it any tighter. But because of that, I feel like the arms look too tight on it. Also, this is an optic white. The other one was a creamier white. And the white in this is definitely not optic. It's kind of a creamy white. So could I wear an optic white with this? Could I / would I? I'm not really the girl that normally does that. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know what you think, but oh my goodness. I love a V-neck so much more. I mean, this is such a nice V. I like it a lot, and the shirt fits great. Does this show you? Oh, look, there's the skirt up close in case we're not seeing it up close. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go ahead and try on the pink skirt while I've still got this top on. Man, I wish those sleeves were just a little bit bigger. This would be a definite yes for me. Oh my goodness, I love this skirt. This one it is an elastic band. I don't know if you can tell that it's elastic, but it reads, if it's reading right on here, kind of shiny. But overall, in the look of this, I like this a lot. This one is definitely reading Easter. This whole outfit, love. So don't come for me if you don't love it. I love this with some jewelry, the right shoes, probably a nude shoe, right? Could I pull off black because I do love a black shoe? Let me know. But yeah, does it have pockets? I don't think either one of the skirts have pockets. This is a premium brand made by Johnny. I will link it below. Oh my gosh, it's so comfortable. It's another one that is lined underneath. See, it's lined in the pink, and then it has this kind of chiffon-y piece that goes over top. I did not pay a lot for any of these. This was all fairly inexpensive. Oh my gosh, even with this shirt, I kind of like this one. It's simply a matter of if I think I could get past the snug sleeve. I don't know that I could. It doesn't seem like me. It doesn't seem like something I get by, but am I right? Is this cute? Let me know. Does it look like somebody's grandmother? It might. But here's the thing. I am somebody's grandmother, but I don't want to look old. So let me know what you guys think, but I really like this one. I really like this one. I like the cut, the fit on my body. I feel like yeah. Okay, I'm going to go over into that I told you guys about that has some of my spring clothes in it. See what I have for t-shirts in there. I'll be right back, and then we have a dress to try on. The dress I kind of bought with Easter in mind. I think it's a little too frou-frou for the baby shower that we're going to have at the distillery, but I will go see if I have another t-shirt. If not, we'll pop into that dress. I already own this one, so I'm leaning toward this with it. I feel like the other one was a little more fitted than this. I keep wanting to put my hands in pockets. I feel like the other one was a little more fitted than this, but I mean, I own this one. Let me see if there are any other white ones in there that have sleeves that I like better than this. But I definitely like this with the white top. Just out of curiosity, just asking for a friend, where are we with gray and this pink? Too stark? Is it too much? Too different? I don't know. I need help with colors, guys. Something about me doesn't mind the gray and the pink, but something about me says, no, not quite, darling. So you guys let me know. I definitely won't wear this for Easter. Easter's in a couple days. I definitely will not wear this for Easter, but will I wear it for the baby shower with the gray? Let me know. And just because we're standing here, I mean, while I have my friends here, what better time to ask, where are we with the pink with the black and the floral? Am I wrong? I don't know. There's something about it that I kind of like. You guys will have to let me know, honestly. Don't be mean because I'm trying here. But just so you know, it's because it's got the print down below. It's not, can you guys see? It is a patterned fabric, so it's not a completely smooth fabric. And has the cute little ruffled arms, which you can't really. I mean, I just don't focus on that much. But what do you guys think? Do you like this better than the black and the white with this? I kind of do. But I don't know. Okay, I'm going to switch out of this. I think I've tried all the tops that I would wear with these. So I'm going to switch out of this and we'll put on the dress. You may have noticed a change of camera. Yep, I was apparently changing clothes too long. I know it's not a long video, but it takes me a long time to change clothes and find other things. The dress that I bought from Amazon, it's a hard no. Couldn't get it on. The body would have fit, but the sleeves were way too tight. It is super cute, and if it was just a little bit larger, it would fit me like a charm. Unfortunately, I want it for Easter, and this is Friday before Easter, so I don't think I can get a new one in time, but I will still link it because you guys might like it. But this is a bloom chic. I have actually shown this in a video before, and I forgot it was in my wardrobe. And when I was looking for all of those t-shirts, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's got the little puffies on it. It actually looks like my new shower curtain that I showed you guys. It's white with the puffies. It's that, but it's pink. It's got this is the only thing that I don't love, and it's a little bit high, which is why I haven't worn it often. But I think, oh my gosh, I think for Easter, it would be so comfy. That's right, I'm crab walking to the camera. She knows fashion. I'm gonna be so good at this. We're losing the light and everything, but you know what else? Look, it's got pockets. I'm just saying, it's got pockets. Okay, so this is where we are dress-wise. I have this one that I bought from Bloom Chic. I have the two skirts. I think I'm gonna keep both of the skirts because they are super cute. And like when summer came, if you were not like me, so paranoid about your upper arms, those would be so cute just casually with flip-flops with like a tank top, a white or a black tank top. I love those skirts. So I'm probably gonna wear one of those to the shower, but I might wear this for Easter. Just let me know, is it like too high? Does it look maternity? It's cute, right? But I get that it's a very high and it's a bow. Could you wear it? No, you can't wear it to the side because then it looks, would you wear it to under a boob? Would you wear it right in the front? What would you do with that bow? Would you swing it to, can't swing it to the back because of the things, but, or would you take it off and put a belt on with it? What would you do? I do love the length of this too. I could wear flats with it to kind of dress it down because we are doing mostly outside. That's what I'm thinking. Okay. That's where I am with clothes. Actually, I'll show you one other thing. I'm not going to put it on right now, but I think this was last year's Easter dress. I went blue, and she is having a boy. She is having a boy. So if I wanted to wear this to the shower, this would be kind of cute because she's doing a boy. And again, I could wear almost like a sneaker with it, which would, you know, kind of make it more casual. What do you think? I think I'm better in pinks than blues. I don't mind me in blue. Blue, blue. Can you tell? How does it look on me? But that's the blue, that's the pink. Okay. Let me know all of the things below. What color tops you like better with which skirts? If this is okay, do I hate that waist? Right there, you know, does it, if I sit, is it, now that I've done that, I'm not sure. We stand a lot at Easter, but I do sit. All the decisions to be made. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks so much for coming by for our first try on up here. At least we're in the same room together. I hate that we lost the light, but we will do it earlier from now on. Love my new mirror. So fantastic. And just for the record, it looks so dark behind me. It is like not dark outside at all. Just right there, it gets so dark. Anyway. Okay, if you watch my room tour, then you know what's going on. Okay, thanks so much for coming by, guys. I look forward to hearing from you about all your opinions on mostly what I should wear with the skirts because, frankly, by the time you see this, we will have had Easter and I will have had to have decided on this dress on my own. Oh no! What am I gonna do? Oh. Okay, thanks for coming by, guys. I will link everything down below that I got, whether it looks good on me or not, because I like everything that I got. The parts that I don't like about it are all to do with my body. All right, thanks again, guys. I will talk to you soon.